Hello, my name is Yurpu. I'm the main developer over at Reverse Software, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a login system in Unity using GameJolt and using a Unity API, so we can connect with the server and ask for logins and stuff like that. So I have designed a really small UI here, which is two game objects. One where is the already logged in, where there will be a image which shows the avatar of the logged in person or player. Then there is a text object which is just that's where the username is going to be shown, and then there is a logout button that's handling the logout. And then there is the login, which just has a username and a game token input field that and a text or a button that's like the login button. But first, the GameJolt token is set to password. So if I'm typing anything, if I'm typing in here, you can see all the letters and stuff. But if I'm typing here, it's just like these stars. So yeah, I'm actually gonna disable this canvas first, because we need to download this thing. Just press the download and then Unity package, and now it has been downloaded. It's a really small file, so it goes really quick. But now you just have to press it with your open with your project open, and then just press import. Now it's imported. You should have a folder called plugins, and in there you have a GameJolt, and you can go to prefabs and GameJolt API. So now if I'm starting this, nothing happens because we need something to call it. So in here I'm just gonna make a folder called scripts, and then C# and log in. Yes, so we have something, and I'm gonna put this on my main camera, I think. Yeah. Now we can open this up in Visual Studios. I'm just gonna wait for it to load. Still loading, and now it has been loaded. So on this start, I'm actually gonna delete the update and do it like this, because this is just to show what it is from the beginning. But you can type gamejolt.ui.manager.instance.show sign in, like this. And now if I'm pressing play, there is, you can sign in. So yeah, that's all. That's what it is from the beginning, but that's not what we're going to be using, because it doesn't look that good. And if you already have a game with the nice menu and stuff and you want to log in, it doesn't look that good. If this thing pops up, you maybe want to have your own custom one. So we're gonna make that. Sorry. Oh yeah. First we can just delete everything, because we won't be needing that right now. Then we need to reference all of the different types in this thing. So we need 2 game object, 2 input fields, 2 buttons, 1 text, 1 what is called image. But first we need to be using unity.ui, because otherwise we can't reference the text things. So first, public game object log in, then public game object logged in. So yeah, I'm actually gonna call this sign in like that, so we can, it's easier to know the difference. Then public button log in button, or I'm actually gonna btn login, then btn logged in or log out, like that. Then we need public input field, username, and game token. Last but not least, we need public text and username, but we need to add text. So yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot we need to add a public image avatar, like that. So now I'm just gonna reference all of these in the thing here, so we have that done. So I'm just gonna put that log in, it's going to be that one, username gonna be that one, game token gonna be that one. Now we can just disable this one, enable this one, like that. Open this up, like that. Login button, it's gonna be that one, username that one, avatar that one. So that was really easy. It's gonna move this back. Now when we have already done that, so if I'm pressing play, you can see nothing happens. Even if I'm pressing any buttons, nothing is happening. That's because we have no functions. So we need to add a void start, because I forgot that we actually need this one again. First we can use sign in dot set active to true, and then logged in, set that to false. That means that when we're playing, we're always going to show this one first. Then we're gonna add button dot login dot add, or I'm actually gonna do that later, because first we need to add the actual like thing. But we can just add a void log out like this, because this is actually pretty simple to add. So first btn log out dot add on click dot add listener delegate, which we are going to use, and then log out like this, and then we can just use GameJolt dot API dot manager dot instance dot current user dot sign out, like that. It's pretty easy. Now we have a functioning log out, but we actually need a login. I'm actually just gonna copy this one. So yeah, now we're gonna make a function called login, or yeah, so here void log in, like that. But we can't just use this one dot sign in. We can't use this one. This will just cause an error. At least I think. I haven't tried, but like, yeah. Look. Oh yeah, I forgot. Need to add this one. It's gonna do it like that, and then start again, and look, we can't log in. So we are needing to copy from a other one, so you can just search submit like that, and then just go to the next place and see here if I can find the real script. It's in like the user script or something. Yeah, here in the sign in window .cs you have a function called submit. This is the login mission or function, sorry. the entire one here. So we can just copy this one. Whoops. Copy this one. Don't like here or something it is. And then just paste it down here. And just change that so we can just delete this one. Now error message, we don't have any. Then username. Then here is game token. Still no error message. No animations. Copy username and copy game token. Still no like error messages and so. Now you see there's something called dismiss and we don't have that function. But if we go back into this one, here is a thing called dismiss. So we're just gonna add this down here, and because we can't override it because it doesn't exist. So I'm just gonna do copy or delete this. But here it's missing a action of a type bool. So we can just go up here and type action of a nope, not everything of this. Then bool like this, call back. I'm just gonna right click here, like you said, then use system, because you need to use systems to be able to like get a hold of this thing. And the login should work right now, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just gonna go to GameJolt. GameJolt's website over here, like so I can get my login thing, my code, because I don't have it in my head. It's gonna log in. Like this. So then I'm actually just gonna get my token. I'm not gonna show the token to you guys because, well, yeah, I don't want it to get leaked. So I'm just gonna tab this down and start. And then I'm just gonna enter reversed studio, because that's what my thing is called. But I'm just gonna copy my game token and paste this in here and then log in. Look, kolla, look, another user is currently signed in. Sign it out first. That's because like we can't log in when we're already logged in. So yeah, that's good. Now I'm just gonna add void update. Just gonna add this. I'm just gonna show, like, put this a bit like third down. So in here I'm just gonna say if GameJolt.api.manager.instance.current user is equal to null. Then we want to show this, else it's gonna be false and it's gonna be true. So if I'm doing this now, copying my code, then reversed studio login, and now we're logged in. Epic. See here, well, I forgot to test the logout. I'm gonna do that later though. Now, because we are logged in this one, we are already logged in. So I'm gonna set avatar is equal to GameJolt.api.manager.instance.current avatar, no, current user dot download avatar. Okay, I'm gonna set like if avatar is not equal to this dot avatar, then we want to download the avatar, which is a function, and then set it to the avatar like that, otherwise it won't, it can cause an error. Oh yeah, I forgot. Wait. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, on this image one just type sprite, because this is actually downloading a UI or a Unity sprite. So something like this, and then we're also gonna do user txt username.text is equal to this entire one again dot user dot name, like that. I'm actually just gonna try this out now. Gonna copy the other one again. And see here, reversed studio, login, and boom. Now everything works. See here, yeah, everything works. It's loading it in and everything is working as it should. And now you actually have a functioning login system, which is pretty easy to do actually, not that hard. And if you want to download this code, I will just leave this script, or I'm actually gonna leave the entire GameJolt API tutorial in the description as a GitHub, because I will be doing more in this series where we're going to add a trophy system, or like a system where you can get trophies and show trophies, unlock and everything, and also show leaderboard, add score to the leaderboard, and stuff like that. So I think this is going to be awesome, and well, this was the entire video. Hope you liked it. Please like, rate, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.